Yung batang matulungin. Oh, ayan. Si Daddy kakain ng malalaking slice. Be careful, darling. Slowly but surely, ah. Good job, bebe. Slowly but surely. Sipag-sipag nitong baby na to, eh. Always watch out of your finger. Oops. Okay. Okay, seryoso. Slowly. Oh, grabe talaga. Super talent talaga. Do you wanna be a chef someday? Really? Oops. Slowly. Kamusta na lang mga slices natin? Ayan. May maliit, may makapal, may malaki. Ayan.